Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the asset you want the QR code to point at. Update Capcut and allow storage access, then open New Project and import the media. Once done, set export resolution and format so scans point to a usable file. Make sure the clip or image is clean and trimmed. This reduces file size and speeds upload. After export, tap Share to reveal sharing options, where Capcut exposes the QR creation tools you'll use next. You now generate the QR directly from Capcut's Share menu. Choose whether the QR links to a Capcut project, exported file, or an external URL. This affects accessibility and editing later. Next, pick a poster frame or thumbnail so scanners show the right preview, and set color and size. Use high contrast for reliable scans. Once you create the code, preview it on screen and perform a quick scan with another device to confirm the link, because fixing it later wastes time. Finish by saving the generated QR as a PNG or copying the direct link so you can reuse it. You can overlay the image into your video, add it to a poster, or share it straight from Capcut to social platforms. Make sure you keep an editable backup of the project link so you can regenerate if needed. If scanning fails, first verify the URL is live and reachable. Then increase contrast or update Capcut. Those fixes resolve most common scanning problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.